Now that I'm informed there are no clarifications, we have fully concluded on this witness. Now, honorable members, before we proceed to adjourn, I have this communication to make. Honorable Senators, as you may recall, in my communication issued on Tuesday, 31st October 2023, I cautioned senators against making comments, whether written or spoken, in relation to the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Kuria Mwangaza, the governor of Meru County, while the matter is pending before the Senate. It has been brought to my attention that comments that are prejudicial to the ongoing proceedings in the Senate have been made in various fora, including social media, X, formerly Twitter, by Kenyans who sadly include senior state and public officers. In particular, the Cabinet Secretary for Public Service, Performance and Delivery Management has made several posts criticizing the ongoing proceedings, intimidating and casting aspersions on the conduct of some senators. Honorable Senators, the matter of impeachment of a governor is a public discourse, and the fact that the Senate is holding the hearing in public, including live broadcasting of the proceedings in the major TV channels and on YouTube, should not be an avenue for targeting specific senators and casting aspersions on the Senate by no less than a leader and a cabinet secretary of the government of Kenya. I therefore caution the Honorable Moses Kuria, Cabinet Secretary in the Ministry of Public Service, Performance and Delivery Management, and all other persons to desist from adversely commenting and making utterances, whether written or spoken, in relation to the conduct of the impeachment process, which may prejudice the just and fair disposal of the present matter. If this caution is not heeded, we will summon the CS Moses Kuria. I thank you. Now, honorable senators, you may be abstaining. Now, honorable senators, there being no other business on the order paper, the Senate stands adjourned until tomorrow, Wednesday, 8th November 2003 at 9 a.m. I thank you.